Like 99% okay.
I'll be fine.
Sweet.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going to my buddy Harsenjeet's place, and we're going to pick up a 3D printer from him that I'm going to be using to 3D print the molds and stuff. So we're going to be using this 3D printer over the next, I don't know, it's probably going to be a while, because I have to break it into small prints, so we have to piece together to make one fender, and we got to do that for 4 fenders and probably a custom grill in there. So only like thousands of hours of printing. Maybe not that much, but like quite a lot. So anyway, going to pick up this printer. Gonna show you some of his other printers. He's got the quite the collection. Let's just call him the print master. We'll leave it at that. So, catch you there. Tiger. Is he outside? Oh no.
What are you looking for?
Tiger. I was gonna get him.
Oh, you were.
Why? Okay, go in. You're so big. Clean off the dog slobber.
This one.
Damn, it's so hot today.
Dude. Yeah, I was dying.
My Jeep is like telling me it's 42 degrees. I know it's hot, but I don't think it's 42 degrees hot. Damn.
What do you think?
It's pretty cool. If you didn't know Dremel made a printer, now you know.
The Flash Forge is probably the least favorite.
Yeah.
Although I would have thought like that still does better quality than 90 cubic.
I guess that one just has the biggest print volume. Damn, this thing has like a dome.
Yeah.
Has like a sunroof, sky roof.
Yeah, sunroof. Yeah, so.
Welcome to the Printmaster Studio.
The layer. All I need now are jobs.
Yeah. They're ready to work. Put them to work.
Yeah.
Email AdaptX. I'll put the link here.
Serious. Yeah.
There you go. AdaptX.
Alright, there you go. I thought you were gonna get one.
I was, and then I never did. So you know, that's how that went. And then there's the one I'm borrowing. It's like for peasants.
No, it's not.
He says it's not.
So just make sure that this thing doesn't come off or heat up.
In other words, like, he's gonna give me the printer, but I'm gonna burn my house down.
The bed is brand new. I tested it.
Does this come with insurance?
Life insurance. Yeah, it should be good. You'll be fine. Like 99% okay.
I'll be fine, he says.
Yeah. But I wish you luck. You're gonna need it. Okay, wait. Put that back down.
Impassable barrier.
Did I just follow you?
It doesn't fit.
Oh my god.
You'll get it back in one piece, I swear.
It's okay.
Look at my new toy.
It falls apart.
we've done it. It just fits like this. There's just enough of a gap. That's it.
At the printer. Check in next week.
You heard it from the man himself. Picked up the printer. Check in next week.
That's copyright.
About as aerodynamic as a wall.
You're supposed to talk shit about the car when you're not driving the car.
I like to live on the wild side.
Living on the wild edge.
This actually really bugged me. There's no perfectly dead center.
What?
It's either a little bit left or a little bit right.
Who designed that?
I don't know, I'm telling you, the same person who designed the outside of this thing.
Look at that.
It's not good for people with OCD, okay? Look at the damn ambulam!
So for the viewers that don't know, you cannot take a left here.
Wow. Yeah, there's no left. It's me, Mario. I drive a Porsche.
Yeah.
Yes, cover me in dust.
Wow, it smells like Febreze.
I don't know what kind of Febreze you're buying. But I'm telling you, someone rip you off. That's not what Febreze smells.
Like rubber, molten rubber.
Yeah, it smells like burnt rubber. Gonna burn some rubber? My one fan.
You're one fan.
You're my only fan.
That is a playground.
Yes.
10 points. Indicator is used. Success.
What, I don't drive a BMW.
You're gonna get some hate mail because of that.
Everyone knows if you drive a Beamer, you can't use your signal. It's like against the rules, okay? You just can't. Oh, Beamer. I bet he doesn't signal.
It's like, we'll interview him next time.
I don't know. I'm doing an
Walking
activity.
car?
I'm driving.
Oh yeah.
That blows my mind. We have made it.
Nice. The perfect place.
So, I guess we got it back in one piece, surprisingly. So, yeah, just gonna start using that soon. We'll start printing and actually get somewhere on the wide body. So, subscribe and catch you next time.